Take a look at the last desk and tell me what you can see.
One Haribo, a few glasses.
One water with gas.
Yeah, so what you just did, which step of the scientific method is?
Observation.
It's the first one, is the observation. So what questions can you have? Why did they bring liquids and gummy bears?
And
Maybe
What is...
Oh,
Yes.
maybe gonna put the gummy bears in the water. They will get more massive.
Okay. So can one of you form a hypothesis combining the liquids and the gummy bears without conclusion? Because you tried to draw a conclusion here.
maybe we have one normal water, one with gas. Maybe in this experiment, maybe what will be with gummy bear if in just water, and what be in water with gas.
Yes. Our hypothesis is a question actually, if the gummy bears will be bigger when we soak them in different types of gas. I have brought still water, sparkling water, tea and juice. Can you think of anything that might happen? Do you have an idea how the gummy bears might react?
Maybe with some cold and hot. Maybe with this something.
Everything is at the same temperature.
Maybe sparkling and still water again.
Maybe
Different.
maybe like how the gummy bears will lose their taste.
Okay, yes.
maybe how big they would be.
Yes. Okay, let's see what happens.
Here?
Yes.
So
That looks like
come here, but don't drink it.
that looks
Alright?
like medicine. Mine is gonna get darker, I think.
Okay.
Thank
And we'll let them here till we finish the second part. Okay. Do you have a number? Did you count? Perfect. Please write down the number here. Evidence 1. If we go outside and start walking, then jumping, and then running really fast.
If the exercise will get harder, then the heart beating will be faster and faster.
Okay, but this is just a hypothesis. What do we need to do in order to see if we are right or not?
Test it.
Let's go outside. And back. Take a look at the evidence and we will try to reach a conclusion. The first line is your heartbeat when you're calm before exercising. Then we have the type of exercise you did, and after that we have your heartbeat after exercising. Can we reach a conclusion based on that?
Yes.
Which
Okay, Sophia was the only one who raised her hand.
Yeah, the more active you are, like the higher your heartbeat is.
Does everyone agree?
Yes.
Can we rephrase a little bit active, because this is a little general?
My conclusion was what for more activity thing was in jumping, because in jumping I have more heart beating.
For you, yes.
Yeah,
for
for me,
you,
yeah.
that was the conclusion.
You changed that in running. You were supposed to run 4 laps, but not 2, and the fastest we can.
I was changing the intensity of the exercise every time. So the conclusion we could reach is that the higher the intensity of the exercise, what happens to the heartbeat?
It gets faster and faster.
Yes.
Sparkling water is the same. With the just water, it got a little bit fat, and juice didn't change.
But they have something else in common.
Water.
What's the water? We make tea with water. Juice has water as well. Still water, and sparkling water is water. So why is it the same?
Because all of them have different things inside. Like this one has tea, this one has other ingredients, this one has gas in it, and this one's just water.
Been longer than other, so they're changing every time.
Yeah.
Like every hour or something.
But we don't know exactly how. In order to be able to answer this question, we need more equipment, we need to gain more knowledge, and also expand the experiment. We need to test it on every liquid. So with the equipment we have and the knowledge we have so far, can we draw safe conclusions in every experiment? Nope. So we have already conducted an experiment for which we can draw safe conclusions and another one for which we cannot. You can tell me what's the difference in taste.
This one is like apple juice.
You have more if you want to test it, and you have more.
Oh, yes, one right.
Can I taste yours?
Yeah. Wait, I want to grab this different flavor.
The,
No, I tried the different flavor. It's not good.
yeah.